Today, let's get not dirty, let's be really tidy. Put on your gloves, because today we are going to apply a special accessory on the iPad Pro. Welcome to Text&Tulip's Best Gadgets. Today I want to show you how to install the Paperlike Screen Protector from Paperlike. Yes, the real Paperlike. I want to give the Paperlike Screen Protector a go to see if it's first worth the money and second to have a clear comparison to the Bellmond Screen Protector I'm using so far. Today all eyes on Paperlike. So what's inside? You will get a big envelope with a welcome note. Fear not, this is not rocket science if you follow the instructions properly. But so far I haven't seen any printed step-by-step instructions either on the packaging or on the sheet inside. So let's look even closer. There's a postcard with the toolkit attached and a message from the Paperlike team. Still no installation guide, no step-by-step introduction, there is none. You just read the envelope carefully, okay, go to paperlike.com, use the how-to video. You look at the sheet, go to paperlike.com. Well, let's get educated. There is already the CEO of Paperlike waiting to guide me through the installation process. He has applied over 1 billion Paperlike screen protectors, well, that's what he said. So now it's up to you. You can either stop the video now and jump to Paperlike to watch him, or continue watching this video to see how it looks on my side. Are you ready? So let's have a closer look at the tools inside the package. You will get 2 sheets of Paperlike, a dry cloth, dust absorber and guide stickers, round help stickers that I call bookmarks, and 2 wet wipes. You won't get a plastic card to remove the bubbles, so have your own ready. Now get rid of anything on your desk that can cause dust particles, including flowers and maybe cats. Of course, switch off your iPad so you can see what you're doing. Close all doors and windows to avoid air circulation. First, I turn around the iPad so the front camera is on the bottom. I do one rough cleaning with a dry cloth. Okay, good enough, don't get too fussy. Now get the Paperlike and turn the sheet that the side 2 is facing up. Everything is in the right spot if your Paperlike is in the center and does not cover the front camera or your home button. In the next step, we need to attach the guide stickers. Here's how it really looks with gloves. The pink rectangular stickers should be placed on the left side of the Paperlike. Well, what have I thought would happen while I'm wearing vinyl gloves? Well, it's a mess. So, okay, one on the top, the second in the middle, and the last one on the left corner. Make sure your Paperlike is positioned just right, in the center, with a little bit of space to either side. Now push the stickers so that they stick to the table and the side of your iPad. This is really important, so make it please better than me. Now push hard but carefully to the left, like this, until the stickers are completely applied to the back of your iPad. I didn't push the stickers well enough to the side of my iPad, so it does move like this. It needs some work, but in private. Next, get one of the round bookmark stickers and place it to the right side of the Paperlike. Okay, that was easy. Well done. Now it's cleaning time. Open your Paperlike like a book. Now side one faces towards me. Start with a wet wipe to get rid of any fingerprints and oily stuff. Like this. As a second step, take the dry cloth to remove any remaining liquid. Finally, use the dust absorber quickly afterwards to make sure there are no tiny little particles left that will otherwise be stuck underneath the Paperlike. And I think you might do it a bit quicker than me. Now bring the card next to you, well, mine is the one I got from the Bellmond Screen Protector, and get ready. We lift the Paperlike with the bookmark stickers until we have a 90-degree angle. Now firmly remove the protection sheet from the sticky side of your Paperlike. Yeah, be careful, but not afraid. Gently place the Paperlike on your iPad. Don't be afraid of any bubbles. Okay, and this is me trying to make a knot into my arms, but sometimes you just have to be brave enough to let go. With the card, I push any remaining bubbles to the edges of the screen. You can push a bit harder than me. There is still a protective layer above the actual Paperlike sheet. Okay, and I think the stickers are a bit in the way, so I will remove them and gently push out the last remaining bubbles. Before the big moment, please like and subscribe. This is not a sponsored video. You help my channel grow if you subscribe. Thank you. Okay, slowly peel off the protection layer. Be careful not to remove the actual screen protector. If there are any little things that distract your critical eye, take the dry cloth and remove it. Let's have a closer look. Oh no, how awful. Well, that really annoys me. Do you see the 3 little bubbles? And I see a little dust particle caught in the Paperlike trap. I will take care of that, but privately. So let's remove the guides and switch on the iPad. I have the iPad Pro 2021 with the Liquid Retina mini LED display. And of course, yes, now it's less bright. I will cover this in a separate video. For now, let's bring the flowers and the cats back into our world. We did a good job with the Paperlike. As a bonus, let's take the Paperlike to the test. I use Procreate as my favorite drawing app. Now, let's grab the Apple Pen. And I go with my favorite brush, a calligraphy brush. I adjust the brush size. And as in my Bellmond video, let's do a lettering animation that simply says, hello. So, how does it feel, the Paperlike Screen Protector? Well, you might know from the unboxing video that I really dislike the oleophobic coating of the iPad Pro 2021, as it has such a slippery feel to it. Finally, with the Paperlike, the drawing process got a much more smooth feeling. And I really like this little resistance while I am doing the hand lettering. Yes, I enjoy it. But until now, I only use the Bellmond Screen Protector. I will compare both of them in the next video. So as a spoiler up front, the Paperlike has a less rough feeling than the Bellmond Paperlike Screen Protector. We will see which one is more satisfying in the long run later. Let's see our hello before we say goodbye. This is a bit fast, but okay. This is good. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was helpful. If so, like and subscribe now so to not miss the next videos, because coming up next, Paperlike versus Bellmond, iPad Pro 2021 12 9-inch versus iPad 6th generation 9.7 inch. See you there.